students. Today we will start with subject EVS, standard first. Everyone, you have to take out this book. We have finished with the two lessons. That is, we have finished with the first unit. Now we will start with the second unit, our needs. Everyone, take your books out. Page number 12. See this? Page number 12. We will start with the unit 2, first chapter, 2.1, food. Okay? Everyone, you have to pay attention in the book also. We will start reading. All living things need food. All the living things, they need food. We too need food when we are hungry. When we are hungry, we also need food to eat. Our body needs food to grow healthy and strong. What do food help us? Food helps us to grow strong and healthy. Food gives us energy to play and work. Good food makes our bone healthy and also strong. So what have we seen in this paragraph? That whenever we are hungry, we need food. And what does this food help us to? This food helps us to grow strong and healthy, and it also gives us energy when we play and work. And also good food, when we eat good food. What is good food? Good food is this, which is shown in the picture. All the different fruits, the bread, and also the milk products. These all are good fruits, good food. Okay, this is good food. Next, our food comes from plants and animals. From where does our food come? Our food comes from the plants and the animals. Now we will see in this first box that the food that comes from the plants. Which are the food that come from the plants? They are, first one is rice. Where do we get rice from? We get rice from the plants. Oats. Oats. We also get oats from the plants. Next is wheat. We get wheat also from the plants. Next is jawar. We get jawar from the plants. Maize and millet. We get all these food that we eat every day. We get this food from the plants. We also get these food from the plants. Which are these? They are called as fruits. Which are the fruits? See, orange, grapes, apples, pineapple, bananas, mangoes, and there are many more fruits that we get from the plants. But here only some are given to you. Again we will read it. Orange, grapes, apples, pineapple, bananas and mangoes. Correct? On this page we have seen that the food that we get from the plants, that is cereals and the fruits. Okay? Now we will go to the next page. Page number 13. On this we can also see vegetables. Vegetables, these also vegetables we get from the plants only. Which are these? We will see now. It is potato, cabbage, onion, carrot, ladyfinger, cauliflower, brinjal, green peas and capsicum. There are many more vegetables that we get from the plants, but here only some basic vegetables are given to you. Okay? Now, next we will see the food that we get from the animals, the birds and the fish. These three, we also get food from the animal, the birds and also fish. Which are these? We will see it now. We get milk from cows and buffaloes. Where do we get our milk that we drink every day? We get the milk every day from the cows and buffaloes. See, cow and buffaloes, and this is a kettle full of milk. Correct? I'll read the next line. Milk helps us to grow strong and healthy. It is nature's wellness drink. Milk is used to prepare many tasty things. Why do you think that your mama gives every day milk? They give milk because you should have strong bones and also healthy bones. Milk is also called as the nature's wellness drink, and milk is also prepared to make many tasty things. Correct? We are finished with this page. We'll go to the next one. We'll see some of the things that we prepare from the milk. What all things can be prepared from the milk? We'll see it in this box. It is curd. Curd means dahi that you eat. This is prepared with milk. Butter, it is also prepared with the help of milk. Buttermilk, it is also prepared with the help of milk. And cheese, these all are prepared with milk. Correct? Everyone likes milk, so everyone likes also the milk products. Next, we'll see what these animals. See, here there is a goat, there is a sheep, there is a hen, and it is a duck. What do these give us? These animals also provide us with some food. Which is that food? We'll see it now. Goat is eaten for its meat. Goat, sheep, and hen, they all are eaten for their meat. Along with here, hen and the duck. These are not eaten, but their eggs are eaten by us. Eggs are also very good for our health. Again, we'll see now. Goat, hen, and sheep, they are all eaten for the meat. And here also ducks and hens also provide us with eggs. If we eat an egg every day, we also get strong health. We become very strong and healthy. Okay? Fish from the seas and rivers and lakes. We also eat fish that we see in the seas, rivers, and also lakes. Many of us also like fish. Correct? So we get fish from the seas, rivers, and the lakes. Now, see, there is a paragraph written here. Do you know onions have a strong, sharp taste and smell? We all know whenever your mama cuts onion, if you go there, then what do you see? You see tears coming from your eyes, and it has a very strong smell. Okay? So now we are finished with the lesson, and the question answers given on the page number 14 and on page number 15 and 16. 13, 14, 15 and 16. All the question answers will be given to you in the end of this video. You have to complete this book. Also, page number 15, you have to complete it, and also you have to write it in your notebook.